Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you to choose this one, online video cutter. You can open up this website and then you're going to upload your video right here. I'm going to click on open file and I'm going to choose the video from my device. For example, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. I'm going to click on open and then we're going to we're going to select the watermark area like this. And then once you're done selecting the watermark area, we can click on apply and hold on. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the watermark has been removed from my video. And I'm going to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.